to the broadcast. So it is opening.
Yay!
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, everyone
loves
loves
that.
that. They just keep clapping. Oh, stop it, guys.
Throw flowers up here or something? So some movies opening at the box office, and right now, I actually think it opened last night, maybe at midnight, is The Conjuring. Have you seen the trailer for this movie?
Nope.
It is terrifying. I'm scared even to just watch the trailer, so can we just show a little piece of it? Yeah, let's hear full sound and just to freak everybody out. Happy Friday.
Oh.
Maybe.
Well,
Maybe.
looking at you like
Maybe.
that,
I know.
getting kind of scary.
Cellar where the
Anyway-
door
Oh, here it
just opened
is.
on its own. Give us a sign that you want to communicate with us. Nothing.
What are you guys?
Well, we've been called ghost hunters, paranormal researchers.
But we prefer to be known simply as Ed and Lorraine Warren.
There's someone here that would like to talk to you.
Paranormal investigators, and they're the ones that went into like the Amityville Horror House, and that was kind of based on loosely on their findings. Well, this one is based on what they say.
Oh my God, I can't, y'all.
Right? I know. They say the most terrifying situation that they have ever been in all of their years investigating paranormal activity. And it's this old farmhouse that this family moved into, and the moment they moved in, that strange things started to happen. And again, it's based.
Oh, I like her blouse.
Lorraine sees,
It's based on their story.
takes a toll.
The Warrens
little piece each
have
time.
an amazing.
So do they
amazing
go
story.
in there and camp out
They-
and so they take a camera and they go in there?
Yeah.
So how come they come out alive if it's so bad?
Well, I don't know, Susie.
You know,
'cause
so
they're
I know. I
amazing.
mean, you know what I'm saying? If it's so bad, nobody was killed.
Y'all, I love scary movies so much, but if I see one for the next like 3 weeks, I will like sleep with every light on in my
Me
entire.
too.
And
Me
I'll be
too.
that person to walk into my bathroom and like move the shower curtain really quickly. Like,
Here's the thing
to
about
make
scary
sure no
movies,
one's behind
like
it.
the slasher movies, like Saw and all the killer. I hate those, but these paranormal
Oh,
things.
these are the ones that
freak
can
me
really
out.
get underneath your skin.
I saw Paranormal Activity. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! I saw Paranormal Activity when it first came out, and it was literally the scariest movie I'd ever seen. And nowhere in the movie do you see anything really terrifying. You don't see
It's the
monsters.
illusion.
It's the yes.
What
the
was that
suggestion
movie
that something is there. It's terrifying.
Where that little girl crawled out of the well, and they
the
like
ring. The ring.
Y'all, that
scary.
movie. I was like scared of people touching my hair, like, and then she like looked like she was gonna crawl through your screen. Oh, my
well,
God.
maybe it's The Grudge. I mean, the
No,
ring
it was
like
the ring.
that too.
It was the ring, and that was oh my God, I can't even, y'all.
Yeah.
But you should watch Mary Poppins.
Y'all, this is why the only movies I see are like Sex and the City and like
Yeah.
Clueless and Mean Girls.
Those are scary movies to me.
They are
Clueless is a scary
terrifying.
movie.
We like to watch scary movies at home after they've already come out on DVD.
No,
or
never
on-
watch them in your own home because then you think
Then
those
it's
things are
super
going
scary.
on inside of your home.
They
It's
are.
terrifying.
And your dog has another life.
That was scary.
Right. Did you see Cujo
Cujo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
or Pet Cemetery?
I kind of want to go see this movie now.
I know. I want to see it too. I just think I'm too chicken to actually see it in the theater with a bunch of people.
Oh, I'm that person that will scream at the top of my lungs. Oh my God.